Hello kids. Today we are going to see vaccines and vaccinations towards a disease free world. Okay? So see here. Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure is of great importance especially in healthcare. Today, most infections and diseases can be cured. Would not it be even better to prevent rather than cure? Prevention is better than the cure is of great importance, especially in healthcare. Today, most of infections and diseases can be cured. Would not it be even better to prevent rather than cure? A very important development that made a great impact on health of peoples worldwide was vaccination. An important development that made by a great impact on health of people worldwide was vaccination. The discovery of this technique took place about 2 centuries ago. This discovery technique took place about 2 centuries ago, means 2 century means 200 years ago. 200 years ago. And English doctor Edward Jenner observed that though there were several cases of dreadful diseases, smallpox. English doctor Edward Jenner observed that though there were several cases of dreadful diseases, example smallpox, there were no milkmaids among them. There were no milkmaids among them. He thought of a possible connection between the two and soon found out that there was. He soon learned that there was a milkmaid had suffered from a milk disease called the cowpox. This one, Edward Jenner learned that this milkmaid had suffered from a milk disease, mild disease called a cowpox for a very brief period, which surprisingly kept the smallpox diseases at bay. Mild diseases called the cowpox for a very brief period, which surprisingly kept the smallpox diseases at bay. This set from thinking of possible reasons. One day, a milkmaid suffering from cowpox came to Dr. Jenner's house. One day, a milkmaid suffering from cowpox came to Dr. Jenner. She had about 3 or 4 sores on her body with pus oozing out. He collected that pus and injected into the baby of a young boy. What he did know, the milkmaid lady had about 3 to 4 sores on her body with the pus soaring out. Then Jenner collected the pus and injected into the body of a boy, young boy. He was expected the boy developed cowpox but soon recovered. It was, however, yet to be seen if the boy was free from smallpox as well. This could be found out only if the boy was injected with a smallpox germs. It is possible when the boy was free. The boy was free from smallpox as well. If the boy was free from smallpox as well, this could be found out only if the boy was injected with the smallpox germs. The germs were injected and the boy was kept in observation for a few days. The germs were injected to the body of that one boy and the boy was kept in observation for a few days. When the boy did not catch smallpox, it became clear that this was cause of immunity provided by the cowpox germs. That time what happened? No? The boy didn't catch the smallpox because it clear that because the boy didn't catch the germs, it become clear that this was immunity provided by the cowpox germs. This was how anti-smallpox vaccine was developed. This type anti-smallpox vaccine was developed. Understood, the kids? Next scene. The smallpox vaccine greatly helped in wiping out the dreaded diseases from the most countries across the world. Furthermore, it paved the way of eradications of many more lethal diseases today. Today, vaccines for polio, measles, mumps, whooping cough, and German measles are available and have saved thousands of lives from such a life-threatening diseases. The smallpox vaccine greatly helped in wiping out the dreaded diseases from most countries across the world. The smallpox vaccine is a very helped in the wiping out the dreaded diseases throughout the world, across the world. Furthermore, it paved the way for eradication of many more lethal diseases. It paved the way for eradication of many more lethal diseases. Today, vaccines for polio, measles, mumps, whooping cough, and German measles are available and have saved thousands of lives from such life-threatening diseases. A vaccine is a biological preparation which, when injected into the person's body, help to improve immunity to a particular disease. A vaccine is a biological preparation which can injected into the person's body help to improve the immunity to a particular disease. It helps the body recognize the foreign body as a disease causing microorganisms and to destroy it. All of you know, nowadays scientists discovering a new vaccine for why? Why you are sitting today in house? Because COVID-19 disease came. So it has no vaccine till nowadays. Scientists doing a work on that to find out the vaccine. Yes or no? When the vaccine came, that time we all are free, become a free birds to move here and there and to come to school. Are you get bored in home no to sit? But it is a safe for you kids. Understood no? Nowadays, scientists trying to find out the vaccine for COVID-19. See, it is also worldwide disease spread up worldwide. The vaccine, they are finding the vaccine for which one disease? COVID-19. A vaccine is a biological preparation which when injected the person's body help to improve the immunity to a particular diseases. It helps the body recognize the foreign body as a disease-causing microorganism and destroy it, thereby preventing an oncoming diseases. Vaccines is the technique of administering such as life-saving vaccines. Vaccine is the technique of administering such as life-saving vaccine. Understood no kids? What is vaccine? Now, do you know the MMR vaccine is the 3-in-1 vaccine that protect against measles, mumps and rubella, all of which are potentially serious diseases of childhood. MMR vaccine is 3-in vaccine. It prevents the 3 diseases, mumps, rubella and measles. Understood no? The triple vaccine, commonly referred to as the DPT vaccine, protects against the diphtheria, pertussis, whooping cough and the tetanus. Okay? Next, see. Pasteurization. What? Pasteurization. Dr. Louis Pasteur was a French scientist. Dr. Louis Pasteur was a French scientist who showed that disease-causing germs cannot survive at high temperature. Dr. Louis Pasteur, he was French scientist. He shown that disease-causing germs do not survive at high temperature. So, doctor, when you will feel sick, when you get sick, that time doctor say you drink hot water, you eat hot food. Yes or no? Because germs, diseases germs cannot survive at high temperature. Understood now? He was the genius behind pasteurization. Louis Pasteur, he was a genius. Now we'll see what is pasteurization. A process of heating milk. Pasteurization means a process of heating milk. Milk products and other food items such as juice, etc. at certain temperature and for a certain period of time, thus preventing them from spoiling. Milk products and other food items such as juices, they are at certain temperature and certain period of time, they preventing them for spoiling. The process of pasteurization is named after the Louis Pasteur in recognition of his immense contribution to food safety and preservation. The pasteurization named after a Louis Pasteur in recognition and of his immense contribution to food safety and the conservation. Understood, no? The pasteurization name kept. Why they called a pasteurization? Why they are named as a pasteurization? The process pasteurization named after Louis Pasteur in recognition of his immense contribution to food safety and preservation. Understood, my kids? Do you know food items such as juices, syrups, vinegar and even water are also pasteurized? Some food items are pasteurized. For example, juice, syrups, vinegar and the water too. Now we'll see antiseptics. Antiseptics. Earlier, surgical patients would often die after a surgery. Earlier, surgical patients would often die after a surgery, majorly due to the infection of the cuts caused by a bacteria made during the operation. In earlier time, surgical parents would oftenly die after a surgery because due to the infection of the cut. Joseph Lister, an English surgeon, applied the belief that germs could be killed at high temperature by boiling the surgical instruments before after a surgical operation, and observed that this is greatly reduced the chances of the spread of infection and germs. Yeah, Louis Pasteur told germs cannot survive at high temperature. So this one, Joseph Lister believed that germs could be killed. Germs could be killed at high temperature. So he started boiling the surgical instruments before and after surgical operations. Louis Pasteur told germs cannot survive at high temperature. Joseph Lister believed that, and he started the boiling the surgical instruments before and after the surgical operations. That observed that this greatly reduced the chances of spread of infection and germs. He observed that is greatly reduced the chances of spread of infection and germs. He conducted a series of experiments using chemicals to keep disease-causing microorganisms from infecting patients. He conducted a series of experiments using chemicals to keep a disease-causing microorganism from infecting patients. These chemicals came to known as antiseptics. This one, Joseph Lister conducted a series of experiments. Why he conducted the experiment? Kids, because in surgical patients often they after surgery because due to the infection of cuts made during the operation in earlier days. So Joseph Lister, what he did, he started to discover the antiseptic, to discover the antiseptic for why? On infected germs, microbes. He conducted a series of experiments using chemicals to keep diseases causing microbes for infecting patients. These chemicals came to known as antiseptic. These chemicals came to be known as antiseptics. Anti means against and septic means infection. He discovered the medicine. That medicine is called the antiseptic, that is used to avoid the infection of germs. Avoid the infection, prevent the infection there only. The substance that kill prevent the growth of microorganism and prevent the infection on a wound or a cut are called antiseptic. The substance that kill or prevent the growth of microorganism which spread the infection, germs which spread the infection and prevent the infection on a wound or a cut in surgical times or in other time, that substance is called antiseptics. This one antiseptic was invented by Joseph Lister. Understood, no kids? Next, see, towards healthier and a disease-free world. Towards a healthier and the disease-free world. Path-breaking scientific invention and medical progress have improved our quality of life. To live a healthy and disease-free life, we must take good care of ourselves through proper nutrition, adequate exercise, and the rest and timely health checkup. Towards a healthier and disease-free world, the path-breaking scientific invention. Some path-breaking scientific invention and medical progress have improved our quality of life, because good life. To live a healthy and disease-free life, we must take good care of ourselves. To live healthy and good life, disease-free life, we must take care of ourselves through a proper nutrition, adequate exercise, rest, timely health checkup. With this one all, we need to live a good life, a healthy life, disease-free life. Understood, no kids? Countries across the world are also now realizing the importance of community health care, sanitization and hygiene. Countries across the world are now realizing the importance of health care, sanitization and hygienic. You know now, because you are also taking care of yourself. You are making sanitization. You are nowadays taking care of yourself now because of COVID-19. You are washing your hands. You are sanitizing. You are taking health care of yourself now. You are free from hygiene. And you are maintaining distance from other people. Yes or no, kids? The World Health Organization conduct programs on public health worldwide and help people get a clean drinking water and better medical facility too. This one, WHO organization, World Health Organization. W stand for world, H stand for health, O stand for organization, conduct some programs on public health worldwide and help people to get a clean drinking water and better medical facilities too. Okay, now see kids, words to pasteurization. Heating food items at a certain temperature to kill germs. Pasteurization means heating food or any liquid item to kill the germs. Antiseptics, chemical substance that kill microbes, prevent the infections. Vaccination, medicine that either are injected or given orally to prevent the diseases. Understood? In the next video, we'll see the we'll revise the again once time this lesson revision portion, and we going to solve the exercise. Thank you for watching the video.